Hello, I'm Geo Douglas. I'm the founder of Metolius AI and the publisher of Business AI magazine. Just a quick overview on my background. I started really young as a fly fishing guide and quickly started writing fishing books, published fishing magazines, produced fishing films, and before you know it, I was inducted into the Freshwater Fishing Hall of Fame in America. And it was a great honor. And after my induction, I just wanted to take that fishing journey that led me all around the country and just expand it and into global travel. And I started freelancing and started getting my certifications. I got Microsoft Azure administration certification and started working in that department. I started doing some science as well. I actually got peer reviewed in a journal for a paper basically on cosmology. I really loved doing that, but when AI hit, I knew I had to move, adjust, and do what everybody else is doing. And still to this day, trying to find which way they're going to go in AI, as we all know it's taking over. I just wanted to get into the magazine real quick and talk about Metolius AI. Metolius is it might not be for everyone, so and that's okay. And this is one of the reasons why I'm publishing Business AI magazine. It's really to help businesses and entrepreneurs learn AI and how to implement it into their business, or even entrepreneurs that want to get involved in an AI service and an AI business. So there's various different ways of looking at it. It could be an established business that wants to have some AI automation and to have their business expand and just have more fluidity. And again, on the flip side, for entrepreneurs looking to get into the mix of things and offer some AI products or services, this magazine's for you too. So we're going to be discussing a lot of the tools that matter, a lot of the influencers that are worth following, and also, some of the quality YouTube instructional videos out there. This magazine, the flip page technology is really fantastic. So you can actually watch the videos on the pages. It's really cool. And one of the key points is that it's completely free. And there's no hidden trap doors, no paywalls, nothing like that. The frequency of the magazine is going to be at least monthly. However, if something drops, and we'd say we just put out the April issue and something drops a few days later, you can expect a magazine out within a few days. So make sure you subscribe. There's a little subscription form in the back of the magazine. Just drop it there. You'll get a notification every time the magazine comes out. The way to get the magazine right now is just to go to businessaimagazine.com. This first issue is really just a general. You'll read through some of my articles, and I wrote them myself. I didn't want to put AI articles in the AI magazine. Really, we just want to keep it real. Just get base level with you. We're not really so worried about typos, imperfection, and these kind of things. So the magazine also has just a glossary of terms. So just for anybody new getting into it, some might find it a bit elementary, but we just want to make sure we're covering all the bases. And anybody just wanting to learn, start from scratch, this is a really good starting point. Now back to Metolius. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what Metolius AI is. We're looking to expand in a different way right now, in addition to what we have, but it's a little far off, but we're working on it right now. But as of right now, we have a solid AI platform for any business that wants to have their own AI platforms where their logo and it's their branding, it's their tone, it's their unique configuration in the back end. And that's really important because I see too many businesses maybe leaving some money on the table by sending them to other companies, by telling their customers, hey, go to ChatGPT and sign up for their $20 subscription. Instead, you might want to think about saying, hey, we have our own AI platform and it costs $50 a month because it's so niche, it's on point, it's on target, it's on brand, it's more valuable. This is something that you can charge a monthly fee for. You might want to just give it complimentary to some of your best clients for just to improve your customer retention and keep them on brand. Again, it's so customizable. The platform, really, you could have it talk about, I don't know, say you're in the pet industry. You can program it in the back end to where the agent will, after every answer it gives, have a little recommended products from say Amazon, but when they click that, they have your affiliate link. So there's several ways to monetize this platform. It's not just through memberships. But I wanted to show you real quick. This is an accounting firm we're working right now. We're just going to blur out some of their branding just for privacy purposes. But just imagine up here in this top left-hand corner, your logo. This company, again, they want, this is an accounting firm. They want a professional tone. Everything really like on point, strictly professional. No, hey, how are you? These kind of things. However, depending on your brand, you might want a casual tone. You might want unique introductions and just be like get base level with people. Right here, we're just talking about M&As. It goes into their unique database, and you can see here that it starts citing different parts of their documentation and explains exactly where they're getting the information from. And here, this is kind of funny because I ask a question about beer. So I say here, can you tell me the best IPA beer? And it's basically saying, hey, my purpose is to be a technical accountant guidance. I can't provide recommendations on beer or any non-accounting related topic. So that's really important because you don't want people to be on your niche platform asking about every other question as they might do with Claude or something like this. Here, I'll ask this question again at the bottom. And you can see how quick it responds, and boom, there it is. This is just a fantastic platform for them. We're working on the next phase with them, and they're actually wanting to expand and to grow upon this foundation, so it doesn't just have to be question and answers. They were looking into getting into more charts and diagrams and things. There's really no limit of what we can do. So again, if you're looking for having your own AI platform, and like I said, either complimentary or selling memberships, definitely hit us up. If you go to Metolius AI, you'll see all about everything that I've talked about here. And here's a platform if you want to have a demo. If you click here on this platform, if you want a demo, I'll just give you the access code right now. If you click on this, okay, you agree, it's a 15-minute demo, and you're going to proceed to the platform. Here we got a little jingle, and it goes right into the access code. So here, I'll just give it to you. It's Metolius 4498. All right. And as soon as you click that and start the demo, you're in. Just hit this sign up here, put in your contact information, and you're going to be on the platform. But just remember, this Metolius here, right here, is going to be your logo. And even if you go into like the view page source and the back end code, none of it's going to say Metolius. It's going to be completely hidden. It's going to be just as your platform. If we go back to the Metolius AI, our homepage, you'll see his reseller here in the left-hand corner. This is a really good reseller program. If you're into B2B marketing, if you want to start hitting up businesses and and sell our product either from Metolius or from even your own brand where you actually become the white label. We have two different ways of working together with really good recurring commissions for all your clients, and it's just evergreen. We built this to, we're looking to share, really. We're looking to share information. We're looking to share revenue, and we're looking to just collaborate, join forces, and just to establish a really strong network and team. So we'd love for you to be part of the team. And anytime you'd like to hit us up, don't hesitate. Really, send me an email. My email is geo@geodouglas.com, and or you can hit me up through the magazine, info@businessaimagazine.com. And again, this first magazine, again, it's just an introduction. We're really going to get into deeper into subsequent issues. We're going to get really into AI automation, OpenClaw, some of the latest and greatest and AI agents that are coming out, and the stacks that we're testing and experimenting with, that we could share with you and let you know the best stacks out there. And best combinations of AI, and how to utilize different tools together. Really valuable information. We love the subscriptions. We love the likes, the shares, the comments. If you're into maybe even being a staff writer, we're looking for bartering and networking. Don't be shy. Hit us up, and thank you so much.